Then there is Ryzen 9. With 12 to 16 cores, we have officially entered the overkill zone for most humans. This is designed for professionals and tech enthusiasts who do heavy lifting, like 8K video editing or complex scientific simulations. Most people who buy a Ryzen 9 only use about 5% of its power to browse Reddit. But hey, those benchmark numbers look great on a forum signature. It's AMD's flagship, competing directly with the most expensive chips Intel has to offer. Recently, AMD introduced a new naming scheme called Ryzen AI. These chips feature an NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. Think of this as a dedicated brain just for artificial intelligence tasks. Right now, that mostly means it makes your background blur look slightly more professional during video calls while you're secretly wearing pajama pants. It also helps with AI tools in Photoshop and Windows Copilot. By letting the NPU handle these tasks, your main CPU stays cool and your battery lasts much longer. For the business world, there is Ryzen Pro. These come in 3, 5, 7, and 9 variants, but they've basically gone to business school. They include features like Memory Guard, which encrypts your data. If a hacker tries to steal your files, all they get is a pile of digital gibberish. It also allows IT departments to manage thousands of computers remotely, so they don't have to walk to your desk every time you forget your password. If you're into handheld gaming, you've likely heard of the Ryzen Z1 and Z1 Extreme. These are specialized chips found in devices like the ROG Ally or the Lenovo Legion Go. They're essentially tiny gaming PCs that fit in your hands. They're highly optimized to give you a smooth gaming experience while trying desperately not to drain the battery in 45 minutes. Finally, we have the final boss,
Ryzen Threadripper.
This chip is physically the size of a small slice of toast and features anywhere from 24 to 96 cores. Using this for gaming is like using a SpaceX rocket to go to the grocery store across the street. It is meant for movie studios like Pixar or engineers building digital cities. It costs thousands of dollars. And if you have to ask the price, you definitely don't need it. So, there you have it. Ryzen 3 for the basics, Ryzen 5 for the gamers, Ryzen 7 and 9 for the pros, and Threadripper for people who own their own server farms. Choose wisely, or your computer might just downgrade itself to a calculator while you sleep.